very glad to announce that this year we are going to announce an inter-school football tournament.
Congratulations, sir. It's a great news.
Yes, and our school team will also participate in this tournament. Ma'am Radhika will tell us which is the best class playing football in the school.
Yes, sir. We need the best team after all our pride is at stake. Class 6 is the best in football. But, sir,
No, what? It is final that class 6 will participate in this tournament and start vigorous training for it.
sir, please listen. The class is very good in the game. There are many groups in the class. They don't play as a team.
Oh, that is the major problem. Come meet me tomorrow along with the students on the ground.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
I hope you all will give your best and make us feel proud.
I will make sure my group will perform the best. I don't know about others.
Oh, we'll not pass the ball to you. We only pass the ball to our friends. Then what we will do? Ha ha ha.
Don't be so smart, you will also be there.
If you would play with such intention, you would never win the match for the school. Ramu Kaka, this सबको एक एक बलून दीजिए. Okay, now listen, my dear students. Those who will hold the ball for the longest time will be the winner.
Student looks at each other and then they start to burst others' balloon.
Here, everyone's intention was to burst the one other of the other. Most of you could won the game, but instead of winning, you guys were spoiling the games of others.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, you all practice today. Tomorrow we will meet again. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Can you see those bricks in that corner?
Yes.
What you have to do is to carry them all and put them in the other corner of the ground. Now again take those bricks and arrange where it was.
Oof, we are getting tired. We have to look for other options.
I got an idea. If we make a straight line and pass the bricks, we will not get tired as much as we carry them individually.
Oh, it is a great idea. Let us do it.
Yes. Well done, my dear students. This is what we want to make you understand. Sorry, sir. Sorry, ma'am. Now we realize our mistake.
If we will play as a team, we will be able to win and win our own team members. Yes, sir. We will assure you that we will win and we will only win.
We'd like to announce you that our school team is the gold medal winner in the tournaments and all credit goes to our football team. Students, do you want to give any message to your friends? So, have you seen friends? Not only in school, but in our family, neighborhood and relatives. Instead of fighting and showing who is great, if we will remain together, we can easily overcome all the problems in our life.